So, final review for the Supra. I can put it in the same level as the Honda NSX. Very good kit as always, Tamiya, but in some parts here and there you can tell that it is an old kit. Everything went flawlessly except for one thing, and I really can't tell why this happened. In the body, I had to retouch it and clear it again about 3 times, and I really don't know why. Sometimes during the sanding part I removed some of the paint here and there, and on other occasion it was just polishing it and the paint started to fade. So I had this pain to correct, but anything from that went pretty flawlessly. Okay, let's start from the beginning of the kit, mainly the chassis. Nothing to say about it here, everything went pretty well. The metallic colors are AK as usual. I really love these paints. I know people will tell me use the MIG or Mr. Hobby Color, whatever, Vallejo, but I really love these colors. They have a pretty good range and they look fabulous in the end. The engine. Let me see if I can open the bonnet without doing much damage. It's not easy. Okay, I have a good grip here. Okay. The engine. I know there is a hobby design engine for this car, but it's too expensive, and honestly, for what you see, the engine from the kit is pretty good, and it pleases me. I might add that this is a completely out of the box kit. I just added the seat belts for realism purposes, but other than that I didn't add anything to the kit. So this is how it looks in the end. So I was talking about the engine. The engine is pretty good. Only the gearbox, I know that that extra kit has some better details on the gearbox, but it's almost not visible. You cannot see the gearbox almost, so no point in buying that extra kit. So engine very good, engine bay very good, and we go for the interior, and as always I will have trouble showing you the interior itself. You might see here the seatbelt buckle, and not the buckle, the harness. The buckle is in the seat. I do not know if you can see it in there, and this is the only thing I added to the kit. So moving on, the thing I like most in the car, and you might find this a little bit odd, but it is the wheels. I know I said in the unboxing part that I might use different rims for this car, but I don't know why. There's some really satisfaction to me when I strip the chrome, the original chrome, from the wheels and paint them in my color of choice. And this is no exception. I really like the car stock, not a very tuned car or whatever, and especially with this kind of colors, not the stock aluminium color that you usually see in every car, but this darker color. In this case it's AK Extreme Metal Colors Gunmetal, not the darker one, the standard one, and it looks amazing. At least for me, it's a joy to look at the car with the rims painted like this. Anyways, here in the back, nothing to say. Everything fits perfectly, even these complex tail lights, because you have to paint the inside of the tail lights in gunmetal, then put the tail lights themselves from the inside, and then you have the clear part on the outside. Everything fits perfectly, as you expect on a Tamiya kit. Nothing really to add. I'm trying to, I don't know, maybe trying to look at something that didn't go that well besides the body part, but there isn't any flaws or anything. As you can see in the end, the car looks gorgeous, and especially this kind of color, I wanted to paint a car like this, like the SLR I did some time ago. It is the same color, and I love this color. It's the Flying Lizard Porsche from Gravity Colors, the dark blue one, and it's a marvelous color. So there it is, the Supra. It's an iconic car. I like the car, and nothing much more to say about it. It's a cool car, looks good. Tamiya again, makes me feel happy in the end, and I'm going for something different after this one. I hope you guys like it. It's quite a big difference from what I've been doing so far, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Until then, take care and see you later.